How to create a Deviant Art account. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. So let's begin. The first step is you need to open your preferred browser on your PC. After opening up, you have to click on the search bar and search for Deviant Art. After searching for it, you'll be able to see the search results. So you have to simply go for the one and only options of Deviant Art. After going through it, you'll be opened up to the official web page of Deviant Art, from where you can join or log into your account. Since we are trying to create an account, you can go for join option in the right upper section next to login, and a text box will be opened over here. So in the first text box, you need to enter your email with which you want to create an Deviant account. After that, in the second text box, you need to choose a password of at least 6 characters, including the numbers and letters. You can also continue with email, or if you want to continue with your Google, Apple or Facebook, then that can also be done. Here I am continuing with Google. If you are continuing with Google, then you have to select your Gmail account with which you want to create a Deviant account. After that, you need to confirm over here. And another text box will be displayed where you have to pick a username for yourself. After that, you have to select your birth month, day and year, and you have to simply go for join. After that, a list of options will be popped up on your device. Here you need to select an activity which you want to do on Deviant Art. That includes discover art, improve my skills, buy art, promote myself, sell art and something else. If you are a creator, then you can go for sell art option and you can choose according to your wish. And after that, you can go for continue. After doing that, you have to select your preferred browsing mode and go for continue. And after that, you have to pick at least 3 topics from over here that you like. After selecting, you can go for continue. And after a few seconds, you can see Deviant Art account has been created. So by following this simple step, you can create a Deviant Art account. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.